Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to make Kothu Parotta. So we have some chopped onions and tomatoes.
South Indian dish.
It's a South Indian dish.
It's a South Indian dish which like mixing the parotta, the bread and the curry. Like we are going to make a masala like thing with the tomato, the chopped onions and some chili, salt and garam masala. So first we are putting some oil on the pan. Then we have to add some mustard and little things. Mustard, you can use fennel also. So after that we have to salt this chopped onion and tomato. So now I am going to add some mustard. Then I am going to add this chopped onion. Have to sort it to like when it becomes like brown color. Then I am going to add some a pinch of salt to this onion. So now I am going to add some chili. If you need more, you can add like as you wish how spicy you need. Or you can add like red chili powder or pepper. Next I am going to add tomato. Now you can see the color is like brown and the tomatoes will also then coat. So we are going to add some masalas like some chili powder, garam masala, then like some coriander powder, chili, some coriander, then we have to put some garam masala. So you can sort it with this. Then a little bit of garam masala so it can enhance your smell and taste of this curry. Next you have to add 2 eggs. One, two. I have to nicely mix it with this. If you need, you can add some more pepper powder or something like that. Going to add some little bit salt and some pepper. So first I'm going to add some pepper, a little bit, then little bit of salt, yeah, it makes it nicely. Then we can add little bit water. Or if you have some coconut milk, you can add it. So it tastes better than this water. I think I have to need to add some more water to it. So I have made some kubus. I don't know how to make parotta, but parotta really makes Kothu Parotta, but I'm going to add some kubus. So I have to tear it into small pieces. Then I have to mix it with that masala. I think it's enough. Okay, next I'm going to add with this one. I think it doesn't make any sense mixing kubus with this curry. But give a try. If it's become nice, we can eat it. Nice that you can see the pieces, like kubus pieces, getting mixed with this masala. Basically the parotta and this kubus made with the same flour, maida, so it makes little bit sense. But if you're comparing to the texture and the things taste, it's totally different. So this is the thing I made. Next I'm going to eat this. So see you guys. If you want to try this, you can follow my recipe or find new good recipe from the YouTube. So see you on next video.